قصة سيدنا نوح سفينة نوح بعد آدم بارك الله في ذرية آدم. ذريتي, I didn't understand what it meant, so I went on Google Translate, search it up, and this is the definition. And then I pencil it in so that I remember it for next time. فكان فيها رجال كثير ونساء وانتشرت ذرية آدم وكثرت. So for this one, وانتشرت, I also didn't understand that, so I go to Google Translate. Pencil it in and I carry on. فلو رجع آدم وراء أولاده لما عرف. So if Raja returned Adam, if Adam returned Wara'a and saw his children or his nations or his descendants, Lama Arafa, he would not know them. Walau qila lahu, if it is said to him, Hadhihi duriyatik ya Adam, this is your offspring ya Adam. لتعجب كثيرا وقال, he will say, Subhanallah, هؤلاء كلهم أولادي. Okay, هؤلاء كلهم أولادي هذه كلها ذريتي. These are all my children, and these, all of them, are my offspring. وكانت لذرية آدم قرى كثيرة. قرى is villages. وبنوا بيوتا, and built houses. وكانوا يحرثون, plowed, I looked for that, is plowed. Al-ard, plowed the earth. ويزرعون, and planted. ويعيشون, and lived. وكان الناس على دين أبيهم Adam. Okay. وكان الناس على دين أبيهم آدم. يعبدون الله, they worshipped Allah. ولا يشركون به شيئا, they do not worship other than him. وكان الناس أمة واحدة. وكان الناس أمة واحدة أبوهم آدم وربهم Allah. Okay, that's enough for now. So yeah, the reading is slow, not very clear, but I understand quite a lot of it, and yeah, that's quite good. Like here, this wakana nasu ummatu wahidan, they are one ummah, people are one ummah, and their father is Adam and their Lord is Allah. It's actually quite good that I can understand. I just need to practice more on my reading and speaking. but it's good that I understand. So it's good to see progress. It's really nice to see. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.